Welcome to another edition of the Idiot's Guide to Gaming with me, Super Dave. Today, we are checking out the PS3 exclusive God of War Ascension. One of the most mentally challenging games is back, bigger and better than its predecessors. This is my second time playing the PlayStation 3 exclusive God of War game. My first encounter with Kratos was on God of War 3, and I must say that it took me longer to finish God of War 3 than it did this game. But that doesn't mean that God of War Ascension is a bad game. I get very restless when a game's campaign mode takes forever to finish. It took me over 12 hours of gameplay to complete God of War Ascension and to unlock the Titan difficulty. The God of War series is well known for its violent take on Greek mythology, and the developers of this game did not disappoint in that department. The violence in God of War Ascension will leave your brain a bit numb. I say this because after a very hectic battle, the game usually throws a puzzle that you need to solve in order to progress. At that point in time, solving a puzzle is the last thing on your mind. You become so caught up in the violence that the puzzles will bore you and frustrate you. The gameplay takes us back to a time where Kratos is fighting for his freedom and he is trying to rid himself of the bond that he has with Ares. On your journey, you are aided by your main weapon, the Blades of Chaos, and boy, do they cause chaos. You will pick up a couple of items along your way that will assist you in combat, and these items will also solve the game's puzzles. Unlike in most games where you control the camera, in this game the camera is controlled by the game itself, and at times it's positioned a bit too far from the gameplay, and this leaves you confused on where you need to go or what you need to do in order to progress further. I must say that the controls during combat are great, but are very clumsy when you're trying to jump off a cliff or a ledge. You also need to learn a couple of combo moves in order to unleash Kratos' epic finishing moves in combat. The puzzles in this game are amazing, and they will leave you scratching your head for hours as you try to figure them out, and they are a great escape from the violence, even though the two take place one after the other. The graphics are really good, and on your journey, you collect orbs that will help you upgrade your health and powers. They will also assist you in unlocking new combo moves to use in battle. God of War Ascension gets a 6 out of 10 from me. I feel as if the developers of the game could have added more puzzles and reduced the violence just a bit. God of War Ascension is only available on the PlayStation 3. There is no word if a God of War gaming is coming to the PlayStation 4. If you've ever played a God of War game, you can let me know on our Facebook page. Just search for the Idiot's Guide to Gaming on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter at the Idiot's Guide to Gaming. Don't forget to check out the blog, that's www.idiotsguidetogaming.wordpress.com. My name is Super Dave, and this has been the Idiot's Guide to Gaming.
Welcome to this week's edition of the Idiots